Today we're going to be calculating for our standard deviation of investment. Starting off, once again, it's color coded. We are given our rate of return, or risk-free rate of 0.15, 0.1, and negative 0.03. Our probabilities are 0.4, 0.5, and 0.10. So to get our first probabilities that we calculate for is our probability of return, which you just use these two. You're going to multiply your risk-free rate or rate of return, and you're going to multiply that by your probability, and you can do that all the way down for these three. And then for here, then you're also going to need to go down here and use the sum function for your probability returns, which gives you 0.107, and you're going to use that in your next calculation by, you're going to start off by using your 0.15, multiplying by this, subtracting this, altogether squared, which gives you 0.01287735. Now to go down here, what we're going to do is we're going to take our 0.15 and subtract our total, our sum of our probability returns from our 0.15, and we're going to do that all the way down. So once again, you can just drag, make sure you lock this cell in with the two money signs, and then you can just drag down. As you can see, same calculation. Now from here, we're going to get to calculate this, which is just our return minus our expected return squared. So that's what we get here, and you can run that all the way through here, and then now you're going to run the sum of your squared solution, and you get 0.020667, and then you can go and you can take your first probability that we just calculated here, multiply that by your 0.4, and then you're going to have those in parentheses, and then you're going to add. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to drop down one, go up, and you're going to go to the next probability, and then you're going to add it again, then you're going to drop down one and go back up to the next probability, which gives you 0.002641. Now, calculating for our standard deviation of investment, what we do is we take the square root of this, our variance, which gives us 5.14.